Hi folks, CodeTutor here and my name is Anil Deshpande. Hi folks, wishing you a very happy new year for 2026 and welcome to the first video of CodeTutor. At the beginning of the new year, I just wanted to take this particular opportunity to talk about what is in store for CodeTutor for 2026. At the fag end of 2025, we were going through some of the testing related Android tutorials series. And some of you had actually asked, are we going to do anything related to CI/CD? So the answer to that particular question is yes. And all our last couple of videos over last few months have been in that particular direction, which is about moving towards CI/CD. So you can expect videos on those particular topics in the next upcoming weeks. One of the main thing that I want to change about in 2026 is uploading more videos and uploading videos in a more consistent manner. Yes, 2025 has been a hit and miss, especially in the fag end of 2025. I was not able to upload much videos because there was something else that was cooking. Those who follow the channel might be already aware about the community post that I recently launched my own website, CodetutorHub.dev. That platform is also going to play a major role from 2026 onwards. So I just wanted to take this particular opportunity to give you a quick walkthrough of what CodeTutor Hub is, what options and features does it provide, and what else you can expect other than the usual videos that you see on the YouTube channel CodeTutor. So let me just quickly show you, those who have not yet logged in, what the platform is all about. So when you enter CodetutorHub.dev, this is the page that you see, the home page. The home page is basically about my work profile, and then there is a social page where you can actually click on the links and go to the individual social links where I am quite active on. There is also a Quora, which is a question and answer social media where I do answer some of the questions related to Android application development, but not just Android application development, many more things. Then there is a contact us option, where if at all you want to contact me on certain options like affiliate partnership, collab video, giveaway contest, you can just drop in the details here. I will get in touch with you folks. But if you think this is what the whole platform is all about, because those are the only two options that you see here, then that's not it. You can actually log in and see more options. You can register by creating your own username and password, or you can use social media login like Google or GitHub to log into the platform. So let me just log in with a sample existing login that I have created. And now you can actually see more number of tabs on the top other than the home and social tab that you were seeing earlier. So the first one is videos tab, where you should be able to basically see all the videos that have been published on the YouTube channel. So you can see that there are almost more than 400 videos on my CodeTutor YouTube channel. And if at all you want to search by any topic, you can do a very quick search. For example, let me do a search on activity and click search, and you can see that there are quite a number of videos which are related to activities. And then fragment, if you can search, there are quite a number of videos which are related to fragments. I have created this particular page to make it very easy for the audience to search for the videos, and if you just click on that particular tab, it basically takes you to the actual video. And also to make it little bit easy to understand that you are actually seeing the right video, you can just keep the cursor on the YouTube icon and you should be able to see the thumbnail of that particular video. Then comes the next tab, which is recommendations. What does this tab basically mean? These are basically the videos, podcasts, books, articles which are not written by me, but I read it somewhere else and I found it very useful and which I feel is worth recommending to you folks. And all you can do is click on details to know more about what this particular recommendation is all about, and when you click on link, you should be able to basically open that particular video or a book link or article link. And then comes the affiliate links. What is affiliate link? These are the links from Amazon or some of the other online affiliate partners. There could be various types of options like courses, books, tools, services, software, hardware, gear, certifications. I have partnered with these affiliate partnerships, and when you click on this particular link and you buy something, I get some commission. And just to make it completely open, I have made it absolutely clear as a transparency disclosure, and there is even a link which takes you to buy this particular product even without affiliate link. It's perfectly fine the way you want to buy it. But if you want to support the channel and want to contribute in some fashion, use the affiliate link, and I will be populating this particular page with more and more number of options, which might be developer centric, I would say. Then comes the articles tab. Articles tab is where I publish my articles. I wanted to have much more control and freedom in the way I want to express. Social media doesn't provide all that freedom. You are still under a constraint. So here is my platform, which is completely owned by me, and I can express my views in a very free manner. And one of the things that I will be doing going forward is putting more articles along with the videos, or some of them might not be even related to the videos. It might be just some of my views and reflections on ongoing trends in the IT industry, the impact of the AI, jobs, all those things. And I will be, of course, posting the links to the social media so that you are kept aware of the latest articles that I have been publishing. And then social is already something which you have seen, nothing much there. And then finally comes the support us. Right now I have only kept the UPI QR code. If you want to support us by contributing some money or funding us by sending us some fund, then you can use this particular QR code. It is completely voluntary. It will help us to maintain this particular platform and get the necessary gears, tools and frameworks that will help me improve the quality of the content for better. As of now, it is very India centric because you can only send it through the UPI code. In the future, I will probably add PayPal or other payment gateway integrations. This is right now what I could do very much immediately. And if at all you are sending any fund, please ensure that you add your email ID, because it will just help me to keep track of who actually contributed to the platform. 2026 is going to be both about CodeTutor Hub and CodeTutor YouTube channel. Some of you might be having apprehensions about what happens to the YouTube channel. Is CodeTutor Hub going to act like a payment gateway to watch videos that I will be publishing, or the video publishing will now move to the CodeTutor Hub? No, the CodeTutor channel will continue to remain as it is. I will be publishing videos as usual on CodeTutor. Nothing changes. So if at all you guys have any such kind of apprehensions, you need not have to worry about that part. And going forward on CodeTutor Hub, I will be adding more features, and of course you will come to know as I will add more features. And just keep track of affiliate links, article links. You might find something which might be useful to you guys. So I am really excited for 2026. Once again, wishing you a very happy new year and looking forward to 2026. That brings us to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.